dysfunctional vet. This is the inside of the heater buddy. This tube right here is the pilot light, and it was skunked up. I disassembled this. I blew it out with carburetor cleaner. It still wasn't working properly. So I unscrewed this. This is the orifice, and this one is the tube for that. There was a little bit of dirt, maybe a dirt dauber or something that started a nest, or maybe some kind of dust got up in there. This is your burner. This is where your air mixes. This too had a lot of spider webs. It's been cleaned out. Everything is working. This is the kiss and tell right here. This consists of a little ball, and when the ball comes out of the pocket, it turns the gas off if it disconnects. This is the inside where everything goes together. You got your line that goes up, got your, this line right here that you see right here, this comes off of the intake or the input. This one right here comes down to the main burner, and then the one back over here that you see goes over to the pilot light. Now I disconnected the kiss and tell to test to see if it was working. I shorted these two out, lit the pilot. Once the pilot was going, I tested to see if the stove was working. Then I put the kiss and tell back in, started it up, tilted the thing, and it went out. So I know that everything is now working, and I'll reassemble it. Basically, you have screws here and at the top, the frame right here that you see. This is integral to holding everything together. The screws fit into this, and the back plate, once you get this loose, snaps out. So as you put it back together, you snap the back plate in and then finish assembling it. I know this is very brief, but I didn't film this way I would normally do it.